Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I show about how to make a fire alarm by using tube light starter. Let me see the components for this. A 9V battery and 9V battery clip, a single throw switch, a 5V DC buzzer, a tube light starter, connecting wires, and finally a breadboard. Connected all components on the breadboard. First we connected the buzzer and any 2-point on the breadboard, and the starter will be connected on the negative terminal of the buzzer, and the another end of the starter it will be connected on the switch, and the switch will be connected on the another end of starter. Let me connected the source. The positive terminal of the battery is connected to the positive terminal of buzzer, and the negative terminal it should be connected on the switch. Let me test the circuit. Let me turn on the circuit. The circuit will turn on. The starter, it's detecting any fire or heat. The buzzer will be operated. Let me test that. It gives any fire in the starter. The buzzer will operate. Let me turn off. The buzzer will be stopped. Please like this video, share it, and subscribe the video.
நெருப்புடா நெருங்குடா பாப்போம் நெருங்குனா பொசுக்கிற கூட்டம் அடிக்கிற அழிக்கிற எண்ணம் முடியுமா நடக்குமா இன்னும் அடக்குனா அடங்குற ஆளா நீ இழுத்ததும் பிரியிற நூலா நீ தடையெல்லாம்